This is LimX Oli, a full-size humanoid robot. It stands 165 centimeters tall, weighs 55 kilograms, and features 31 degrees of freedom. Come along for a day with Oli and see how next-gen robotics comes to life. At 7:20, Oli starts the day with a workout at the gym, lifting barbells to train full-body mobile manipulation. At 7:50, Oli practices Kung Fu in the park, where a Kung Fu master is already waiting to train with him. After the session, Oli doesn't forget to show respect to the master. At 9 o'clock, Oli is on duty at the LIMX factory. The facility is quite large, and it takes Oli some time to reach his station. At 9:30, Oli arrives at his station for material handling. His task is to move materials to Tron 1, his partner, a self-balancing robot. To perform this job, Oli relies on self-developed joint modules for stable torque output. At 2 p.m. Oli moves to the incoming material sorting area. His task is to sort different types of parts and place them in their designated locations. After finishing the job, he makes sure to clean the workspace and dispose of the waste properly. At 4:30 in the afternoon, it's time to clock out. But before that, Oli takes a moment to stretch after a full day of work. It feels great to finish the day's work and head home early, leaving the human coworkers still on the job. But, ouch! It seems the humans aren't too happy seeing Oli leave first. Oli takes a deadly kick, but don't worry, Oli is equipped with full-body disturbance rejection. A kick like that means nothing to him. At 5 p.m. it's time to clock out and leave the office. Oli heads out using the elevator, just like the human coworkers. At 9 p.m. it's time to have some fun. Oli spends his free time dancing, something he can do effortlessly thanks to his 31 degrees of freedom, allowing him to move smoothly and gracefully. Thank you for spending a day with Oli. See you next time, bye.